Hello, in this example, we are going to see how we can get accessible name of an element. So we have accessible name method of page class which accepts a locator of the web element. So here we can see this link's accessible element name is form authentication, and that's login link. So let's run and get the accessible name using the accessible name method of page class. So test started running. Browser spun up, opening the page and getting accessible name of login link. Let's open, and here we can see accessible name is home authentication. Thank you.